As entry-level gaming laptops go, Lenovo's Legion Y530 is actually pretty sweet. Starting at just less than $800, the Y530 is built around NVIDIA's GTX 1050 or 1050 Ti graphics, which is pretty standard fare at this price, and is enough to play demanding games at medium to high settings. That's what we've seen from competing laptops too, as is its battery life at around 7 hours of video streaming. So what really sets this apart is the design. Lenovo shifted the display hinge forward, which allowed for better cooling with rear and side air vents. It also gave Lenovo space to move power and a majority of its ports to the back, so you don't have a tangle of cords coming from the sides. And if you want to upgrade your memory or storage drives, you can easily get inside. The Full HD display is the weakest part of the package with lackluster color and brightness, but we've seen similar or worse from the competition at this price, and Lenovo gets points for surrounding it with a thin bezel, but also loses some points for putting the webcam below the screen. There's some give and take with a few of the laptop's other features too, like the Y530's cushy backlit keyboard that feels good for long gaming sessions but might not satisfy for long typing, and it's paired with a responsive, albeit small, trackpad with discrete clicky mouse buttons. You're going to have compromises at this price, but thanks to the design and performance, the Legion Y530 should earn a spot on your shortlist.